Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mac Paverick. In this video I will show you how you can work with the Cobra bag and why you should work with the Cobra bag. Yeah, it really takes a lot of fun to train with the Cobra bag, and this is the first reason why you should work with the Cobra bag. The other reason is it is good for your hand and eye coordination, for your reflex, and it is good for your endurance. Yeah, and so you can improve your skills here a lot of. And now I will show you how it works and how you can train with that device. Maybe you're a beginner or a pro. Everything is possible. Also a beginner can train with a Cobra Boxing Bag. For pros it is also a good possibility to train boxing. If you are a beginner, yeah, you have to begin slowly. Yeah, you go in the position and then in the basic position for boxing, and then you start with a jab. Go around. Okay, here's not a lot of space. Yeah, start with a jab. Then you can, through your right hand, and then you can improve the speed. This is the first step you should train. In the second step, you should, through the other hand, yes, you can through an uppercut, a left hook, a right hook. This is possible. It is not possible to work to the body. Yes, you can only through to the head, but it does a lot of fun. And yeah, let's begin. So with that first two steps, you train your coordination and you train your endurance, and it is also possible to train your reflex. You can dodge the bag. I will show it. Yeah, you start boxing. Use your protection. Yeah, that's all, and it takes a lot of fun to work with a Cobra bag, and I really enjoy it, and I will carry on now. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you, bye bye.